Hey my friends. In this video I taking Just Dance by Lady Gaga and turn it into just techno. Let the challenge begin. First we need to take the vocal. To make it faster we set the BPM to the original BPM like 119. Then I set the vocal to stretch mode and set it onto grid. And then I just turn up the volume how I like. 144 is nice. People are always asking me how I process my vocals and the answer is I don't know, I just slap a couple compressors onto it to compress it and make it more even. And then I give it some reverb and that's about it. And for this remixes it is always catchy and corny to just pitch it up a bit.
A red wine.
Oh yes, like this. Now because it is a style of techno, we need a extreme hard kick. This one could fit. Yes.
I've had a little bit too much.
Now we searching that kick a wife. Guys, there are only two genders and that is kick and bass. I take this sample and slap it underneath it. I change the pitches to make it work with the acapella. Yes, let's take a hi-hat. Snare. To have this. To give the bass more character I'll add a serum preset. This sounds so juicy. To make it more interesting I'll added these little melody with a nice preset. For the chorus we need to give it a bit more spice. So I took these two lead presets and made this super simple and catchy melody. To make it sound like this, I gave it a very harsh EQ, and this weird sidechain effect. Oh yes, we are almost done but we need to add like sweeps and crashes and stuff. And I also threw in some drum fill samples. Exactly. And my guys, let's listen to the final track together. But before we do that, I'll give you this entire FLP with all the samples and presets for free because I love you so much. And if you like to step up your game a bit, I recommend to you my Hypertechno sample pack coming with over 1000 sound for Hypertechno with all the samples you need. Drum loops, presets, and basically everything. It also has a Hypertechno masterclass video. This pack is pure fire. First link in the description. And now my kicks, let's listen to it.
I've had a little bit too much.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.